welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. Today's hair sponsor is Geniuswigs. Today we're going to be talking about this wet and wavy bob that I have. Super cute, so versatile. You can do so many styles, yet it still will remain curly.
Wine.
But let's do this side curly, so I'm just gonna spray her down. That's really cool. It activates and we have curly hair. That is so cute. I'm curious to see if the curls will show up more if I brush through it. I don't know. I wanted to show you guys both ways. I wanted to show you guys the curly and also the straight version. We can also curl this side too. So like we want to get some curls in here. We could definitely do that. So this hair is going to hold a really good curl, as you guys can see, if it transforms back into curl. this side has dried and now we have this side, and I did put some curls in this side just to see what it looked like and if it holds a curl, and it definitely does. It's giving natural, it's giving yaki, it's giving, you know, African American hair. And this side is definitely defined and gorgeous. It did dry a bit, but it's just water. So now we are going to go ahead and wet this side and see how that one turns out. So guys, we're going to wet this hair down and see how it curls.
Why?
I have the 14-inch Wet and Wavy curly bob from Geniuswigs. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. It is a 13x6 lace, so there's a lot of lace space. It's actually super pretty. Like, the curls are actually just gorgeous. I love how it's so effortless. You don't need to actually work this hair for it to be curly. When you put the water in the hair, it does transform. If you just wait a few minutes, it will just naturally curl up on its own, and you can also then straighten it again and blow dry and do all that good stuff. As you guys saw, I did style the hair on the straight side. I did curl it, and this is the straight side, so the curls did go back to normal. I really like this bob. It's super cute. I love it in its curly state. If this is something that you might be into, you should definitely check out the link in the description. I'm gonna have all the information about this wig and where to find it in the description box. And just like that, we have the wig back to its straight blown out version. Of course, I wanted to show you guys again that it does get wet again and it does go back to curly. So we are thorough over here, okay? It's instantly starting to curl up. The more water you put, the more it's going to get curly, but I just wanted to show you guys that you can wear blown out and then you can also go back to curly in a second. It does get curly again once you apply water to it. And I'm just helping out those curls to activate just a little faster by scrunching it. You don't have to do this, but if you don't want to scrunch it, you just gotta wait a few minutes and it'll go back to curly. Just like that, it's done. Easy, effortless. I think it is a lot of fun, and I love the options that it gives you with this wig because you can wear it curly, you can wear it straight, you can do so much. So again, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave me a thumbs up for all my hard work and effort. I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye for now.